guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing. Before we start the study vlog, I will be making some fresh jasmine tea, and this is also a very new discovery for me. This is called mogra in Hindi, and it's a very fragrant flower, and the tea comes out delicious. And I think I'll stop talking now for some sweet ASMR. I'm going to be having tea with my mother and Simba. My mother has specially come down from Delhi for my exam. I'm going to be starting the study session with current affairs. This pink folder is my holy grail because this has all the current affairs from the newspaper that I've written since the past 1 year. I have chosen specific topics that came in the newspaper, general or in editorials, which I thought are important from the prelims perspective. I have written down some indexes and reports that have been in the news since the past year. It's important to know what the report entails, who is the report released by, and if there are any parameters that are used while giving rankings for countries, and what is India's rank. For some reason, whenever I read current affairs or revise, I feel like I've done such a huge job, especially if I'm doing all this after lunch in the afternoon. Let me know in the comments, what is your take? Do you feel tired when you study current affairs? Moving on, I'm going to be doing maps for the next 1 hour or so. I'm starting off with the Mauryan Empire map that I've made along with the Gupta Empire. I am a history optional student, so this is extremely important for me. after about 3.5 hours later, I do feel tired, and I don't think anything can wake me up as much as a coffee. So, off to making a nice warm cup of vanilla coffee for myself. In this session, I'm going to be studying ancient history, and this is the NCRT India's Ancient Past by R.S. Sharma. This would cover my prelims part of the syllabus as well as my optional, so it's a win-win situation for me. Again, I am back to current affairs, and this time I'm doing PT 365, the compilation just before the prelims. It's a revision, so I'm going to be doing environment and polity both. Do any of you agree with me when I say that the IUCN list and the conservation status of different animals and birds is a lot of information to retain? I feel you because I feel the same. And finally, after a lot of current affairs, kuch zyada hi ho gaya, I will go on to more current affairs, but these are the notes that I have made myself on OneNote. And when I started off making notes, it was really confusing, as for any other aspirant, whether to make handwritten notes or on OneNote or on Evernote. It's always a confusion. But trust me, when you start doing it on your own, you'll figure out which way suits you the best. And for me, I think handwritten suited the best, along with some side notes on the material that I print out. This, unfortunately, I have to go back because I did not have the energy in me to write this down, because this was a lot of text to copy down on paper. that's it for today guys. आज के लिए इतना ही. Please like the video if you like my content. Comment down your thoughts and please hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon. आज बहुत पढ़ लिए. Keep working hard guys and never give up on your dreams. Good night.